Today we shall solve some miscellaneous type problems about derivative. So this is helpful for class 12 and diploma students as well as WBJE and JEE main aspirants. Okay, so let us solve the problem. First problem is that differentiate tan inverse square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x at x equals to 0 with respect to tan inverse 2x into square root of 1 minus x square by 1 minus 2x square. So this type of problems we have already solved in the previous class. Okay, so we already knew that the rule how to solve this type of problem. So let us consider y equals to, let y equals to tan inverse square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. Now we put x equals to tan theta for this expression. We put x equals to tan theta. Okay, so this equation can be written as square root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta, right? And from here the relation between x and theta is that theta equals to tan inverse x. So keep it in your mind. Theta equals to tan inverse x. So now after simplification, tan inverse square root of 1 plus tan square theta, you know that is sec square theta, and square root of sec square theta, that gives sec theta minus 1 by sin theta by cos theta. And if we put sec theta equals to 1 by cosine theta minus 1 by sin theta by cos theta, so that gives tan inverse 1 minus cosine theta by cos theta into sin theta by cos theta. After simplification, you see that, and cosine cancelled, we get tan inverse 1 minus cosine theta by sin theta. Now we use the submultiple angle 1 minus cos 2 theta, tan inverse 1 minus cos 2 theta, that means 2 sin square theta by 2, and sin theta, that can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. We have already discussed this type of formula in the trigonometric part also. So y equals to tan inverse tan theta by 2. Clearly you see that 2 sin cancelled, so sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, that is tan theta by 2, that gives theta by 2. And we know what is by theta? Theta equals to tan inverse x, so that gives tan inverse x, half tan inverse x. So if we differentiate both sides with respect to x, so dy dx equals to half ddx of tan inverse x, and we write down here differentiate with respect to x both sides. So dy dx equals to half into 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, this is the equation number 1 you can consider, and this is equation 1. And let u equals to, another part, let u equals to tan inverse 2x square root of 1 minus x square by 1 minus 2x square, right? Then for this case, we put here x equals to sine phi. We put x equals to sine phi. So what is the relation between phi and x? So phi equals to sine inverse x. Alright? Sine inverse x. So after simplification, u equals to tan inverse 2 sine phi into square root of 1 minus sine square phi by 1 minus 2 sine square phi. Alright? Just I have put the value of x in the expression. So that gives u equals to tan inverse, that is 2 sine phi 1 minus sine square phi, that is cos square phi, and a square root of cos square phi gives cos phi. So 2 sine phi cos phi, and it is clear to you that 1 minus 2 sine square phi, that gives sine 2 phi. Sorry, cosine 2 phi. Cosine 2 phi. So you know that by using multiple angle, 2 sine phi cos phi, that is sine 2 phi by cosine 2 phi. So that gives tan inverse tan 2 phi. So u equals to 2 phi. And what is my phi? Phi equals to sine inverse x. So that gives 2 sine inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x, du dx equals to 2 into d dx of sine inverse x. And we have to write down differentiate with respect to x both sides. Okay. Now we use the formula du dx and derivative of sine inverse x, that gives square root of 1 minus x square. So what is our goal? Our goal, we have to determine dy by du. That means differentiate y with respect to u. So therefore dy by du, that is our goal. Dy by du equals to dy dx by du dx. We have already learned in the previous class. So put the value dy dx, that is half into 1 by 1 plus x square by 2 into square root of 1 minus x square. So dy du equals to 1 by 4 square root of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So now we have to calculate dy du at the point x equals to 0. Therefore dy du at x equals to 0 gives 1 by 4 square root 1 minus 0 square by 1 plus 0 square. So that gives 1 by 4. So the answer should be 1 by 4. Okay? Clear? So the problem has been solved. I think you have already copied. So next we will discuss the next problem. I erase it. Okay. Problem number 2. If x to the power y plus y to the power x equals to 1. This is the implicit type function. Then find dy dx. Okay. So now solution. Now x to the power y plus y to the power x equals to 1. And the previous lecture we have already discussed. So this gives, we can write down as e to the power y log x base e, of course, plus e to the power x log base e y, that's equals to 1. Because we have already discussed in the several times fx to the power gx or anything that gives e to the power gx into log base e fx. এটা কিন্তু আমরা সবসময় মনে রাখার চেষ্টা করব, তার কারণ এটা বহু প্রবলেমে আমরা ব্যবহার করে থাকি। So now differentiate with respect to x. So ddx of e to the power y log x base e plus ddx of e to the power x log base y base e ddx of 1. And we write down here differentiate with respect to x both sides. Now we know ddx of anything, that is ddx of e to the power fx. What is the differentiation? The differentiation is e to the power fx ddx of fx. So that is the general formula. So ddx of e to the power y log x, that gives e to the power log x base e ddx of y log x base e plus e to the power x log y base e ddx of x log y base e equals to 0. আমরা জানি যে কনস্ট্যান্টের ডেরিভেটিভ সব সময় 0, we know that. So now we use the formula u into v rule. So e to the power y log x, we can also write down here x to the power y. Okay, so ddx of, so y ddx of log x base e plus log x base e dy dx by using u into v rule, u into dv dx plus v into du dx. And similar fashion, this is, we can write down y to the power x and x ddx of log y base e plus log base e y base e and ddx of x, that is also 1, equals to 0. That's equals to 0. So after simplification, we see that y, and that is 1 by x after differentiation, plus log x base e dy dx y to the power x and x into 1 by y dy dx, log y derivative 1 by y, and then next plus log y base e, that's equals to 0. Now we separate the derivative term. So x to the power y log x base e minus plus y to the power x, sorry, plus x by y and first bracket close dy dx. এই দুটো পার্ট থেকে আমি একসঙ্গে মাল্টিপ্লাই করলাম, করার পরে আমি y to the power x into x to the x by y, okay, dy dx equals to, আমরা কি করলাম, y to the power x log y base e plus x to the power y into y by x, যেহেতু টোটালটাকে রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডে নিয়ে গেছি তাহলে একটা নেগেটিভ সাইন, ক্লিয়ার? সো আফটার সিম্পলিফিকেশন x to the power y log x base e. This is y to the power x minus 1 according to the indices rule into x dy dx equals to minus y to the power x log y base e plus x to the power y minus 1 into y. Therefore, dy dx equals to minus y to the power x log y base e plus x to the power y minus 1 into y by x to the power y log x base e plus y to the power x minus 1 into x. That is our required result. Okay. So that is dy dx. Clear? So we have solved second problem also. I think we have already copied. So I erase the problem number 2. Next, problem number 3. So problem number 3, if x square plus y square, if x square plus y square equals to t plus 1 by t and x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 equals to t square plus 1 by t square. Then show that dy dx equals to minus y by x or 1 minus 1 by x cube y. Okay? Clear? তো বেসিক্যালি এই প্রবলেমটা কিভাবে আমরা সলভ করব, দেখো এটা বেসিক্যালি দেওয়া আছে একটা প্যারামেট্রিক ফর্ম, কিন্তু এই প্রবলেমটাকে আমরা কনভার্ট করাবো একটা ইমপ্লিসিট ফাংশন, তার মানে যে ইকুয়েশনটার মধ্যে এক্স আর ওয়াই এর এক্সপ্রেশন থাকবে। ওকে, এক্স ওয়াই রিলেটেড ফাংশন যদি থাকে তাহলে আমি ডিরেক্টলি ডেরিভেটিভ করতে পারবো। ওকে, তো বেসিক্যালি solution, given that x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 equals to t square plus 1 by t square. So clearly we can write down t plus 1 by t the whole square minus 2 into t into 1 by t. Right? Clear? So t square plus 1 by t square. So x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. If I put t plus 1 by t, that is x square plus y square. So x square plus y square whole square minus 2. T cancelled, minus 2. So after simplification, x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 equals to x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus 2x square y square minus 2. Right? Up to this point. So x to the power 4, y to the power 4 are cancelled. So we get x square y square equals to 2. This is the one equation. Another, or you can write down y square equals to 2 by x square. So this equation, if I differentiate with respect to x, So ddx of x square y square equals to ddx of 2 constant, differentiate with respect to x both sides. So we get, by using UV rule, x square into ddx of y square plus y square into ddx of x square equals to 0. So x square into 2y square, that is 2y dy dx, plus y square, x square derivative 2x, that's equals to 0. So from this equation we get dy dx equals to minus 2xy square by 2x square y, so that gives minus y by x. Okay, and if we differentiate this expression with respect to x, so that gives ddx of y square ddx of 2 by x square. So differentiate with respect to x both sides, so we get 2y into dy dx and 2 ddx, that is minus 2 into x to the power minus 2 minus 1. Okay, 1 by x square, that is x to the power minus 2. So n into minus x to the power n minus 1. So that gives 2y dy dx equals to, and so 2 is already present here. Okay, so okay. So this is y square equals to 1 by x square. This is 1 by x square. So minus 2 x to the power minus 2. So that is minus 2 by x cube. So dy dx equals to minus 1 by x cube y. So we have gotten the result. So dy dx, therefore dy dx equals to either minus y by x or minus 1 by x cube y. Okay, so এখানে আমি একটু সিলি মিস্টেক করে ফেলেছিলাম যে এখান থেকে x স্কয়ার y স্কয়ার equals to, of course 1 হবে, এটা 2 cancel, x স্কয়ার y স্কয়ার, this is also 1. ওকে, এখানে রিফ্লেক্ট করেনি। ক্লিয়ার? তো আমি যে সিলি মিস্টেকটা করেছিলাম সেটা আমরা ঠিক করে দিয়েছি, 2x স্কয়ার মাইনাস 2 ক্যান্সেল। সো আসলে আমরা এক্সপ্রেশন পেয়েছিলাম x স্কয়ার y স্কয়ার ইকুয়ালস টু 1 এন্ড দেন প্রসিড। তো তাহলে আমরা যে আনসারটা, যে রিকোয়ার্ড রেজাল্টটা আমাদের প্রুফ করতে বলেছিল সেটা আমরা প্রুফ করে ফেলেছি। নেক্সট আমরা আরেকটা প্রবলেম সলভ করব, প্রবলেম নাম্বার 4। সো আই ইরেজ দিস পার্ট অলসো। সো find dy dx, find, problem number 4, find dy dx, find dy dx if x cube y to the power 4 equals to x plus y whole to the power 7. আমাদের dy dx বার করতে হবে। তো বেসিক্যালি আমি ইন্ডিসেস টাইপ প্রবলেম থাকলে আমি সবসময় কি বলতাম যে we prefer taking the logarithm. So now solution is that now x cube y to the power 4 equals to x plus y whole to the power 7. So now taking logarithm both side, so log base e x cube y to the power 4 log base e x plus y whole to the power 7. So we have to write down taking logarithm both side, taking logarithm both side. Okay, taking logarithm both side. So by using the formula of the logarithm, log base e x cube plus log base e y to the power 4. Why? Because log m dot n equals to log m plus log n, and that gives 7 log base e x plus y. According to the formula, log x to the power n, so log m to the power n, that gives n log base e m, and log base e m dot n. So we have exhaustively done in logarithm chapter. So log m plus log n. Okay, so I use this result. So 3 log x base e plus 4 log y base e equals to 7 log x plus y. Now we differentiate with respect to x both sides. So 3 ddx of log x base e plus 4 into ddx of log y base e, 7 into ddx of log x plus y base e, and we have to write down differentiate with respect to x both sides. Okay, so after differentiation we get 3 by x log x derivative and 4 by y into dy dx, and 7 by x plus y, of course, ddx of x plus y. So now 3 by x plus 4 by y dy dx equals to 7 by x plus y, x derivative 1 plus dy dx if I act linearly. So 7 by x plus y minus 4 by y dy dx equals to 3 by x minus 7 by x plus y. Am I right? দেখো আমি dy dx এই পার্টটাকে এই সাইডে নিয়ে এসেছি আর 3 by x টাকে ওই সাইডে নিয়ে চলে গেছে। ক্লিয়ার? 7 by x plus y dy dx। এবার আফটার সিম্পলিফাই করি। So x plus y into y, this is LCM, so that gives 7y minus 4x minus 4y dy dx, and this is also 3x plus 3y minus 7x by x into x plus y, and x plus y cancelled, so that gives 3y minus 4x by x plus y into y into dy dx equals to 3y minus 4x by x into x plus y. So this part cancelled, and this part is also cancelled. So therefore dy dx equals to y by x. That is our required answer. Clear? ওকে, তো ইরেজ করে দিই এই পার্টটা। সো নেক্সট প্রবলেম একটু অন্য টাইপের, একটু ডিফারেন্ট টাইপ প্রবলেম, কিন্তু পরীক্ষায় আসে। সো প্রবলেমগুলো খুব একটা কঠিন নয়, তোমরা যদি একটু মন দিয়ে ভাবো তাহলে প্রবলেমগুলো খুব ইজি প্রবলেম। প্রবলেম নাম্বার 5, if 2fx plus 3f of 1 by x equals to 1 by x minus 5, show that we have to show that 5 into f1 plus f dash 1 equals to 1. We have to show. তাহলে আমাদেরকে দেখাতে হবে কি 5f1 plus f dash 1, 5 into that's equals to 1. So now solution. So the given information is that given that 2fx plus 3 into function of 1 by x, that's equals to 1 by x minus 5. This is the equation number 1. Okay, now put x equals to 1 in equation 1. So we get 2f of 1 plus 3f of 1 by 1, 1 by 1 minus 5. So 2f1 plus 3f1, 1 by 1, that is also 1, 1 minus 5. So 5f1 equals to minus 4. Another expression. So another part is that if we differentiate now, differentiate with respect to x both sides throughout the equation 1. এক নম্বর সমীকরণকে আমরা x এর সাপেক্ষে ডিফারেন্সিয়েট করে দিচ্ছি থ্রুআউট। তাহলে কি পাবো 2 ddx of 2fx plus ddx of 3 into f of 1 by x ddx of 1 by x ddx of 5. So 2 into ddx of fx, that is f dash x, 3, that is function of x f3 f dash 1 by x, and ddx of 1 by x, and this is also ddx of 1 by x, that is minus 1 by x square minus 0, because 1 by x এর ডেরিভেটিভ কি এখানে সিম্পলিফাই করে দিচ্ছি ddx of 1 by x ddx of x to the power minus 1, that gives minus 1 into x to the power minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 1 by x square. Okay, so that's why I have written. So 2f dash x plus 3f dash 1 by x into minus 1 by x square equals to minus 1 by x square. So this is the equation number 2. Now we put x equals to 1 in equation 2, কারণ আমাকে f dash 1 বার করতে হবে। So there 2f dash 1 plus 3f dash 1 by 1 into minus 1 by 1 square equals to minus 1 by 1 square. So that gives 2f dash 1 minus 3f dash 1 equals to minus 1. Am I right? Equals to minus 1. So f dash 1 equals to plus 1. Clear? F dash 1 equals to plus 1. Clear? Because minus 2f dash minus 3 minus f dash and minus minus cancel f dash. So 5f dash 1, 5 যদি multiply করি 5f dash 1 equals to 5. So therefore 5 into f1 plus f dash 1 equals to minus 4 plus 5. So 5 into f1 plus f dash 1, that's equals to 1. Hence the expression is proved. Clear? So we have solved. So next problem, it is this part. So next, if problem number 6, if 8 into fx plus 6 into function of 1 by x equals to x plus 5 and y equals to x square into fx, then show that dy dx at x equals to minus 1, that gives equal to minus 1 by 14. We have to show it. Okay? 8fx plus 6f1 by x equals to x plus 5 and y equals to x square fx. Then show that dy dx at x equals to minus 1 equals to minus 1 by 14. So from this expression, we have to first calculate what is my fx. So solution is that, now let us assume that 8fx plus 6 into f of 1 by x equals to x plus 5. That is equation number 1. We replace x by 1 by x in equation 1. We replace x by 1 by x in equation 1. So what we get? We have gotten? We are getting here 8f1 by x plus 6 into f of 1 by 1 by x. Just x এর জায়গায় আমি 1 by x replace করছি. So that is 1 by x plus 5. So after some calculation we get 6 of fx plus 8 f of 1 by x equals to 1 by x plus 5. That is the equation number 2. So from these two equations we have to eliminate f of 1 by x and we will clearly get f of x. Okay. So multiplying the equation 1 by 8. So what we are getting? So that is 64fx plus 48 f of 1 by x, 8x plus 40. Okay. And the equation number 2 we multiply by 6. So that is 36 fx and 48 f of 1 by x, 6 by x plus 30. Now we subtract. So subtract it, we'll get 28 fx, that is 0, 8x minus 6 by x plus 10. Alright, 28 fx equals to, so fx equals to 1 by 28, 8x minus 6 by x plus 10. So 2 by 28, 4x minus 3 by x plus 5. Clearly you see that. So fx equals to 1 by 14 4x minus 3 by x plus 5. So now, given that y equals to x square fx, so fx already calculated. So x square fx, that means 1 by 14 into 4x, okay, x square 4x minus 3yx plus 5. So 1 by 14 4x cube minus 3x plus 5x square. Am I right? Just now differentiate with respect to x, both sides. So dy dx equals to 1 by 14 ddx of 4x cube minus 3x plus 5x square. So that gives dy dx equals to 1 by 14 12x square minus 3 plus 10x. So we have to find the value of dy dx at x equals to minus 1. So dy dx at x equals to minus 1 equals to 1 by 12 into minus 1 third whole square minus 3 plus 10 into minus 1. Sorry, that is 1 by 14. So that gives 1 by 14 12 minus 3 minus 10, that is minus 1 by 14. Hence proved dy dx at x equals to minus 1, that's equals to minus 1 by 14. Okay, at x equals to minus 1, dy dx equals to minus 1 by 14. Okay, so thank you.